Hello everybody, do you like Char Siu pork? Today I'm sharing with you the way I made them. Please come to the kitchen with me. But first, can you see my Char Siu on display? They look beautiful, don't you think? Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I like to share everything I know with you. So the recipe will be in the description box below. You click on 3 dots more and it will take you there. I have 600 grams of Boston butter. I use this guy because it has marble fat in there, and when you do so, your Char Siu pork will be flavorful after the fat cooked down. Now to tenderize them, I use the skewer and piece them through. And now I add sugar, soy sauce, garlic powder, minced shallot to marinate. This is my ingredient, but the next thing will be half of the package of Char Siu seasoning. They sell those packages all over Asian markets. You can find them easily. When you use the packages, it will give you the color, the red color, very characteristic for Char Siu. Anytime you go Chinatown, you see the Char Siu pork hanging down from the display. That's what the package do, because in the package they added the food coloring. And if you don't use it, I try not use when I make for me. But when I don't use it, the products come out, nothing look like Char Siu. So I buy the bullet and use the package. So I massage the seasoning into the meat, and after that I will put in the fridge. You can put there a day or 2 or 3. I left it there for a few days now, and today I took it out for roasting. I preheat the oven 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will roast the pork for 15 minutes on a blaze like so. The first stage, this is for cooking the meat. Now the meat was cooked. I will do the next step, the one that essential, so that it say and it feel and it tastes like Char Siu that you used to buy. That is, I put them on racks like so, and roast them. Put them back in the oven and bake them, grill them 10 minutes each side, and voila. After you done this, the surface and the edges will be crispier and smell and taste just like Char Siu that you bought in your memory. Ta-da! Now I cut them to put on the plates. Don't you think they look beautiful? And it tastes even better. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.